Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the channel. It's actually like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's 4 o'clock in the afternoon. I feel pretty good. The guy is on his way to pick up the Cavalier that I sold yesterday, which is actually today. You guys are seeing this video tomorrow, so it'll make sense later. But I'm feeling pretty good. So I want to focus on the wrecker. So I will turn you guys. I want to focus on the wrecker. You know, I don't really know what I'm going to do to it. But this is the start of the next video on the wrecker. Let's get to it. Alright, I got the hood up. And, this oxygen kind of is in the way. But, my negative battery cable broke a while back right here. It's simply just bolts right here on an alternator. But I wanted to just replace it instead of I was just gonna replace the end. But these are so cheap, I'm just gonna replace the whole line. I actually wanted to measure it because I'm not exactly sure which one I need to get. But I probably don't even need to measure, honestly. But so anywhere over 30 inches, I'll be good. So honestly, that's all I need. A piece of 30-inch long gauge 4. Maybe I'll do the positive. The positive doesn't look that bad. I'll keep the positive how it is. I'll just replace the negative. I don't have any tools out here right now. But, Alright guys, it's the next day. Ignore the fact it's red. But we got the brake. What the? We have the battery cable for the negative. So I gotta find my tools, which I have a feeling they're all the way over there. And then we are gonna get to work on this. Get this done. Who knows what I'm end up doing today? I don't even know yet. Just stay tuned. Should I see if it starts?
Making any headway?
Yeah, it's done.
Oh, you got it done?
Yep.
Tightened up?
Yep.
Cable's plenty long enough. Beautiful.
Alright, battery's dead. But I like how that turned out. Here, let me get you all to stand and I can show you guys. Sorry, I'm learning. I went down underneath the airbox, right over to the alternator bracket. So much better than what it was. We will get a black one eventually, but for now, red's okay. Alright guys, we got it running today again. It actually needed less than I thought it was going to. I was hoping this would be a more eventful video. But thanks for tuning in. I do have new marker lights for it I got put on yet. And we got to fix a wiring issue in the light bar again. And I have a mirror for it too. Then it needs a cab corner, and then I believe that's done to be drivable. And then we just gotta fix the hydraulic lines again. So
Also got a new upgrade for the rollback that Donnie don't even know about yet. It's a donation from me for the channel.
oh god.
I was gonna put it in my truck. It was gonna go in my truck, but you know what? I think it would be more fun to have it in the rollback while we're...
What is it?
Can't tell you. You'll see.
I'm kind of afraid to see that. This is Cody, guys. He's been in videos before.
I'm paying nothing for it, so...
Tell me down below what color we should paint this.
I think we should go with a gloss black. And then I'll try to fix up the bed a bit, do all gloss black. I gotta convince Donnie to do a little bit of a lift kit on this sucker too.
No, we're not
Come
lifting it.
on.
Two-wheel drive.
Come on, at least get it up another like 2 inches or so.
No.
Give it a little bit more height. Or at
Now
least
he's
level
just
it.
talking out his ass.
No, come on, at least level it.
It levels itself out when you put a car behind it.
Yeah, but still.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next one.